Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you looking to elevate your hair game with some fabulous extensions? Well, look no further because today we're diving into the world of microbead hair extensions. From adding length to boosting volume, these tiny wonders can transform your look in minutes. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Don't worry though, because I've got you covered. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 microbead hair extensions, highlighting their key features, benefits, usability, and durability. So let's jump right in! At number 1 position, we have Moresoo Microbead hair extensions. Moresoo microbead hair extensions are designed to give you long-lasting length and volume with minimal damage to your natural hair. Crafted with high-quality Remy human hair, these extensions blend seamlessly with your own locks for a flawless finish. Key features. Each strand is fitted with small silicone-lined beads that securely hold the extensions in place without causing any discomfort or slippage. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to tangling and shedding. These extensions boast a smooth texture that remains soft and silky even after multiple washes. Whether you want to add subtle highlights or dramatic length, Moresoo extensions offer versatile styling options. Usability. With proper care and maintenance, these extensions can last up to 12 months, making them a cost-effective choice for long-term wear. Durability. From everyday wear to special occasions, Moresoo microbead hair extensions are designed to withstand heat styling and environmental factors without losing their luster or shape. Moving on to the next at number 2 with haibis micro-loop hair extensions. Haibis micro-loop hair extensions are perfect for those seeking a hassle-free way to enhance their hair. Made from premium synthetic fibers, these extensions mimic the look and feel of natural hair. Key features. The innovative micro-loop design eliminates the need for glue or heat during installation, ensuring a damage-free application process. Benefits and usage. Whether you want to add thickness to your ponytail or create a voluminous updo, haibis extensions offer endless styling possibilities. Plus, they come in a variety of shades to match your unique hair color seamlessly. Usability. These extensions are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them ideal for daily use. Simply loop and secure the extensions using the provided tool for a secure fit that lasts all day long. Durability. Despite their synthetic composition, haibis micro-loop hair extensions are surprisingly durable and can withstand regular washing and styling without losing their shape or shine. The number 3 position is held by LaaVoo Microbead's hair extensions. LaaVoo Microbead's hair extensions are the ultimate solution for adding length and volume to your hair with ease. Crafted from 100% Remy human hair, these extensions offer a natural look and feel that second to none. Key features. The microbead attachment method ensures a secure hold without causing any damage to your natural hair. Plus, the beads are discreetly hidden beneath your hair for a seamless blend. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or glamorous curls, LaaVoo extensions can be styled just like your own hair. They're heat-resistant and can be washed and conditioned for long-lasting wear. Usability. Thanks to their lightweight design, these extensions feel comfortable and natural, even during extended wear. Plus, they're easy to remove and reapply, allowing you to switch up your look whenever inspiration strikes. Durability. LaaVoo Microbead's hair extensions are built to last, with proper care and maintenance. They can remain soft, shiny, and tangle-free for months on end. Next, at number 4, we have Sunny Microbead hair extensions. Sunny Microbead hair extensions are your ticket to instant length and volume without the commitment of traditional methods. Made from high-quality Remy human hair, these extensions blend seamlessly with your natural locks for a flawless finish. Key features. The microbead attachment system ensures a secure hold without causing any damage to your hair. Plus, the beads are virtually undetectable, allowing for a seamless integration. Benefits and usage. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color or enhance your hair's thickness, Sunny Extensions offer endless styling possibilities. They can be curled, straightened, and styled just like your own hair for a personalized look. Usability. These extensions are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them suitable for all-day use. Plus, they're easy to maintain and can be washed and styled with ease for long-lasting wear. Durability. With proper care, Sunny Microbead hair extensions can last up to 12 months, making them a cost-effective investment for achieving your dream hair goals. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Misslala Microbead hair extensions. Misslala Microbead hair extensions are the ultimate choice for those seeking luxurious length and volume. Crafted from 100% Remy human hair, these extensions offer a natural look and feel that's sure to turn heads. Key features. The microbead attachment method ensures a secure hold without causing any damage to your natural hair. Plus, the beads are discreetly hidden beneath your hair for a seamless blend. Benefits and usage. From everyday wear to special occasions, Misslala extensions offer versatile styling options to suit any look or mood. Whether you prefer sleek and straight or bouncy curls, these extensions can be styled to perfection. Usability. Thanks to their lightweight design, these extensions feel comfortable and natural even during extended wear. Plus, they're easy to remove and reapply, allowing you to switch up your look whenever the mood strikes. Durability. Misslala Microbead hair extensions are built to last. With proper care and maintenance, they can remain soft, shiny, and tangle-free for months on end. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 microbead hair extensions that are guaranteed to elevate your hair game to new heights. Whether you're looking for length, volume, or both, these extensions have got you covered. So say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to fabulous locks that turn heads wherever you go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.